Although the vine was first planted in Urville by the Gallo-Romans 2,000 years ago, it was Saint Bernard, founder of the Clairvaux Abbey, who had the cellars built in 1152. 7 centuries later, in 1808, the family estate was created and is now run by Michel Drappier. Home to the Pinot Noir grape variety, which runs in their veins, it was in Urville that this vineyard was planted, cultivated according to organic and natural principles. On the nose, very evocative of strawberry and raspberry with a floral note of rose petals. The palate recalls red fruits and is augmented by hints of citrus fruit, mandarin orange and a small, very refined touch of white pepper.